The car maker Nissan has announced a major expansion of vehicle production at its Sunderland plant, which the government's hailed as a key vote of confidence in the UK car industry.
Let's get to some breaking news. Nissan and partners to invest $1.4 billion in UK EV production.
Nissan sparks a revolution towards a zero-emission future, unveiling ambitious plans for its UK plant to go 100% electric. The automotive giant's pledge heralds a transformative shift in the industry. Nissan's vision for a sustainable future takes shape at the F36 Zero Hub in Sunderland. The ambitious blueprint encompasses 3 electric vehicle models, 3 Gigafactories, and a staggering investment of up to £3 billion. The transformational project introduces all-electric versions of Nissan's acclaimed Qashqai and JUKE crossovers. Additionally, the iconic Nissan Leaf is set to undergo a future all-electric makeover. At the heart of this initiative is the EV36 Zero microgrid, utilizing renewable sources to provide 100% clean energy for both vehicle and battery production, symbolizing Nissan's commitment to sustainability. Makoto Uchida, President and CEO, Nissan, exciting electric vehicles are pivotal in our journey towards carbon neutrality. The Sunderland plant will be the epicenter, designing, engineering, and crafting the vehicles shaping Nissan's all-electric future in Europe. UK Prime Minister Rishi Sunak, Nissan's investment reaffirms the UK's position in automotive innovation. Sunderland remains a beacon for electric vehicle manufacturing, securing thousands of jobs and propelling us towards a brighter, sustainable future. Nissan's £3 billion commitment signifies a monumental step towards a greener automotive landscape. As the brand propels towards an all-electric lineup by 2030, Nissan cements its dedication to a cleaner, safer, and more inclusive world. Stay updated on the latest automotive innovations and Nissan's electrifying journey towards sustainability. For comprehensive coverage and exclusive updates in the automotive realm, tune in to Automoto Network.